Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up HVAC zone groups and add zone components. In detailed HVAC, zones having the same HVAC equipment can be grouped together.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.